Hi guys, welcome to this video about what's the best image viewer software on Windows 10 or on Windows anyway. So yeah, I was googling, we closed that again. Anyway, you can see I've been googling for image viewer software. This is what you get when you don't specify Windows 10. You see you can go even further. There's a lot. There's really a lot. So when I remember the old days of Windows, maybe 20 years ago, I was using a CDC. That was the most famous thing those days, at least yeah, in my region, and we got it for free, and then probably some people hacked it. Can't remember. I mean, we kept using it for a while, and then they started asking some money, and we switched to other solutions, and then Windows Picasa. Google came with Picasa, and but I tried Irfan View, XN View, but most for editing and making other things like Moss changes to pictures and such things. And but actually yeah, now I have been setting up new computers, and I was thinking, so I need something like a good fast picture viewing software. What should I use? And I've been googling a lot, and I haven't and I've also tested some of these things, and nothing really satisfied me. And I thought, yeah, maybe I can go back to Picasa. I know Picasa is yeah, it's outdated. I mean, retired somehow. This is German side. So, but basically they say they don't develop this anymore. I think it's not even supported anymore, but you can still use it. So I thought, yeah, why not to download and try this again? And yeah, the problem is always, I mean, there's no download link. That's the official site, picasa.google.com, but if you go down, you find no download link. That's really bad. But when you Google it, Picasa download, you find a lot of things. Maybe you can even find some versions which are now infected with viruses, Trojans, whatever. So if you want to have a safe download, I can always recommend the chip.de, uh, chip.de. That's a German page, unfortunately. But yeah, when you go to the site, usually in Chrome or other browsers, there is a translation option, and you can see this in English or other languages. So what's the most important thing of this site? I mean, even when it's virus free, it doesn't mean adware free. So here are basically two options which you have. You have the big fat blue download button, which leads you to an installer, which sometimes has some adware. Not really dangerous stuff usually. I mean, I have never seen dangerous stuff, but there's definitely sometimes some adware, and if you want to avoid that, you have to click on manual installation. So you go here, and then it pops another link. Download will be prepared, and then yeah, the latest version now says, yeah, you have an ad blocker. There are two choices: either you remove the ad blocker, or you can watch a short video, I mean a short ad, and then if you say yes, then you will see a short video. When you say no, then it looks like at the moment you can go to the download without watching any video, any ad so far. Yeah, so you see it opens automatically the download and you can save it and then install it. I have already done this. So maybe worst case you will have to deactivate the pop-up blocker for this site or watch the video, which is I think it was 30 seconds or so. You will survive this. It's not so bad. Yeah, I have already installed that. It looks like this. So that's the old thing, the old Picasa. Make it a little bit smaller so you can see everything. Yeah, it has a lot of features. It has editors, it has face recognition, it was so amazing. I mean, so many people love this. You have been able to upload, download, merge, and all those things, and it was some of the best tools of Google. But Google has decided, nope, we are not going to support this anymore for whatever reason. It's really bad, but they think we don't need anyway. There's a viewer, so I have already prepared um, yeah, something. um, yeah, that's photo thing. So you can, when you after installing, usually it's connected. It should be connected actually. When you do this, the like the default setup, then you're asked if you want to assign JPEG and all the BMP and all these things to Picasa viewer, and it usually should be good. If it's not good, you can go to OpenVis, then say choose another app, and then you have this. So you have to check this. Always use this app to open JPEG and select the Picasa and say yes. Okay, and now it already opens that, and hopefully we can see, I mean, some programs are running, of course, screen capturing is running. You see, usually it opens really fast. When it has, now I have 200 pictures, it opens usually really fast. When you have like 10,000 pictures or 100,000 pictures, it needs really a lot of time, but usually you don't have so many pictures in a folder. The thing is, I think they preload a bunch of pictures in the cache so you can browse faster. So like the next 10 or 100 or 1000 pictures are in the cache, and also the last one, so you can move forward and back really fast. So usually you don't notice anything. If you have problems, you have probably 10,000 pictures or something like this in your folder. The good thing is you can forward and go back with the cursor, like when you go to the right side. Now what's that? That's photo viewer. Hold on a second. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I didn't do that. I was not focusing. I mean, yeah, on the like the mouse was not here. The focus was not on this program. So when you go right, so with every click on the right cursor, it goes forward. With every click to the left, it goes back. And now I keep holding the cursor, and now you can see how fast it goes. There's even impossible to see all the pictures. These were more than 200 pictures viewing in basically, I can't remember, 5 seconds or so, or not even. Now you can go back. Okay, maybe something between 5 and 10 seconds. These were 200 pictures forward and back. This is really crazy. If you are searching for a picture, specific picture, you can't do that any faster. It's crazy. I mean, these are some sunset pictures which I have made. This one I haven't made, so I go back. I'm showing one which I have taken that I don't get into troubles. Yeah, something like that. Or yeah, anyway, so it's really good. You can go single steps, you can go you can keep pressing and forward and back. And the good thing is if you have something, you can immediately zoom into the picture with this scroll wheel of your mouse. You can just scroll up and you can go almost endless up to 3000%. Usually with other programs they have either they don't have this option or they have restriction, maybe 100% zoom or so, but you can see you can zoom in really fast, zoom in and out, and then you can go to the next picture, zoom in and out. And the good thing is, which is really awesome, that usually helps me to yeah, when I have two pictures and I want to see which one is better, so you have to zoom out so you can switch to the next picture. Sometimes it's a little bit, I don't know. Yeah, okay. So um, let's go. Do we have similar pictures? Yeah. Okay, maybe we have similar pictures here. So let's say these are not yeah, these are really close, and maybe when you have this size, you're not sure which one has the better focus. So you go in, like into this wave. And maybe let's say here we have the same wave, more or less. Okay. So, and when you go back, you have the same focus and same zoom as before. So here's a little bit of bad sample, but let's say waves are moving, so it's really a bad sample. But when you go left and right, you can compare these two pictures with a high zooming level. You see that? So it doesn't zoom back to 100%. It keeps the focus and the zoom level, so you can go back and forth as long as you want, no problem at all, and then you will see the differences. And you can delete the one which you don't like. And yeah, it's really an awesome tool. I haven't found any tool which has the same speed, same stability, same functionality. Maybe there are some programs which have more function, but this is really handy. Really, it works so smooth, and I will definitely keep working with that. Maybe you will find something even better. It's possible. It's quite old, the thing, and there are a lot of or image viewer programs around. Also, when you go to Windows 10, there are some programs. I have tried out some of them, but they didn't came any close to this, especially when it comes to speed and these zooming possibilities. So I haven't found, but maybe you have found something, and it would be interesting to hear about that when you have something. Or anyway, if you have any comments or questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.